Low cost business ideas. First of all, I will talk about mobile food shop. Mobile food shop is the top small business idea as people all over the world love to eat tasty and healthy food. This is a business which you can start with your minimum investment and gain maximum profits as no one can ever refuse tasty food provided in the hygiene manner. Now I will talk about fast food parlor. Fast food is the business choice for people who are hungry and don't have access to home cooked food. If you provide tasty and hygienic food at an economical rate, you will gain quick profit. Now I will talk about diet food shop. These days people are too conscious about what they eat. You can find fast food joints everywhere in the rural and urban areas, but we hardly have shops that provide healthy diet food. Therefore, starting a diet food shop is an excellent idea for a small business. Now I will talk about health drink. Due to social media, people are well aware of what is good for their health. They have started opting for health drinks over carbonated drinks. Juices like neem, beetroot, and carrot are too much in demand. Thus, starting a health drink stall is a good business idea. Ice Dish and Soda Shop. Ice Dish and Soda Shop is one of the lowest investment business with maximum profit. All you need is to invest in the equipment required to make the drink, like ice snow maker and soda maker. Now I will talk about courier shop. If you are quite efficient and delivers a message, package, or letter from one place or person in the required time, this business is for you. You will require semi-skilled workers to manage the business. Now I will talk about laundry shop. Every individual loves wearing fresh clothes that smells good. If you are efficient in providing good laundry service, this business is for you. You can employ a few skilled workers to help you manage the task. Candle making. Candle making is an art, but you can make this art into a profitable business if you provide bulk orders by using available machinery through marginal investments. Now I will talk about soap making. Organic and herbal soaps are in demand in the market. If you have the skills to make soaps using various ingredients, then you can make this hobby as a business. Idol making. If you are creative and have the skills to make idols, then you can start a business of making idols. We are an idol worshipping country, and during festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi, Durga Puja, idols are in great demand. Bag making. After a ban on plastic, this area of business is flourishing as there is a huge demand for paper bags from malls and shopping units. Even you can use your creativity to make bags from jute, cotton, etc. to sell them online or offline. Pickle papad making. Pickle papad making is one of the best home-based business idea that women engage in since earlier times. You start this business part-time or full-time as per your convenience. Fruit jam making. Yes, homemade fruit jams are fondly relished by people as they are free from preservatives. From preservatives, you can make this into a profitable business with less investment provided by various organizations. Now I will talk about career counseling. If you understand the work, trends, and the careers that are in demand, you can opt to be a career counseling. You can start this business from home also. Nowadays, parents and teachers look out for good career counseling, for good career counselors, so they can guide children in pursuing a career for their future. Religious items. India is a country of multiple religions and languages. There are various customs and traditions that people follow. The requirements of religious items for engaging in various customs are different religious items such as diya, dhoop, murti, shankha are always in demand. Therefore, this business is favorable in areas where there is a religious organization nearby. Now I will talk about pest control. Pest control business is slowly becoming one of the top businesses in the metro cities. Everyone wants to live a healthy life, free from diseases caused by insects and mosquitoes. So the pest control business is a good option in the metro cities. Now I will talk about Pan Center. Anyone can open a Pan Center as it does not require any skill. It is a low cost business idea and involves the preparation and sale of pan and other related items. You can also sell small items like biscuits and chocolates along with pan. Now I will talk about landscaping service. Through the landscaping business, you can provide clients with lawn services to keep their yards groomed and can also plant flowers, trees, and shrubs. To start this business, you need to have the knowledge to plant flower beds and gardens to raise the value of a property. As the property rates are going high, this business will give you maximum turnover. Now I will talk about Aquarium Shop. Yes, the aquarium is a low cost business where you need to take care of the fish tanks and provide professional aquarium leasing and maintenance for offices or homes. The aquarium is considered good for Vastu. Therefore, this is a good business with less investment. Now I will talk about house repair service. Every now and then houses need maintenance and repair. This house repairs service is a lucrative business idea. If you have knowledge about construction along with a few skilled workers, you can start this business. Palm reader of astrology. Palm reading is a practice of predicting the future of a person by examining his hands or her hands. It's a convenient business. Yes, convenient business, and a person having the skills of a palm reader can earn a moderate sum through this business. Now I will talk about fumigation services. Through fumigation services, gaseous pesticides are sprayed or filled in the infected area to get rid of pests. The fumigants or pesticides poison the pests in and around the area. One needs to have a clear idea of the chemicals used in the process to run this business. Spy and security services. No one can be trusted at the present day, due to which the need for spy and security services arrived. Many people use such services for their homes and offices. Now I will talk about carpooling services. Carpooling is a type of car rental designed to be convenient for people who want to use cars for relatively short periods of time. Car sharing services offer casual drivers the option to rent a car by the hour or day. Due to awareness about pollution and traffic control, this business is booming day by day. Now I will talk about software training. If you are an expert in computer languages such as C, C++, Java, HTML, you can start a business of software training from a small rental area or from your house. Is it? Thank you so much. Be happy. Take care.